swollen legs, ankles, and feet. For some it's a mild nuisance, for others a chronic condition. What causes this affliction that affects so many? In this video, we will explore the mysteries surrounding leg swelling and reveal natural solutions found in surprising places. First, what exactly causes the swelling? That depends. Temporary swelling can result from things like standing too long or exercising too intensely. The causes here are obvious, but long-term swelling implies an underlying issue. Diseases of the liver, heart, kidneys, and more can manifest as pooling fluids. Even deficiencies in certain vitamins can contribute to the problem. When we think of swelling, we picture excess fluids that have accumulated in the tissues. Like a sponge soaking up water, the skin and muscles expand from this fluid overload. Gravity pulls the fluid down, which is why the legs and feet are most affected. But what is the nature of these fluids? Plasma, that clear yellowish liquid that makes up 55% of blood, is the main culprit. Plasma carries blood cells and nutrients in the veins while taking away waste. But when there are problems with the organs that filter plasma, like the kidneys and liver, it cannot be adequately removed. The excess plasma seeps out of the blood vessels into the surrounding tissues. The result? Swelling. Lymph, that fluid that circulates through the lymphatic system, can also be implicated. The lymphatic system parallels the blood circulatory system but works independently. It transports white blood cells and intercepts bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens. Lymph nodes filter the lymph, but blockages in the nodes or vessels cause a backup. The lymph then leaks out into the tissues and leads to swelling. Okay, so excess plasma and lymph causes the swollen legs. But why do they build up in the first place? Essentially, swelling arises from some sort of imbalance or malfunction in the body. Let's look closer at some of the key factors. Heart disease. The heart pumps blood through the circulatory system. If the heart is damaged or weakened, blood can back up into the veins of the legs and push fluid out into the tissues. Liver disease. The liver filters toxins and waste from the blood. When it's damaged, these can accumulate in the blood and cause leakage into the legs. Kidney disease. Healthy kidneys filter excess fluid and waste from the blood into the urine. Kidney dysfunction allows the fluid to stay in the bloodstream and eventually pool in the legs. Blood clots. Clots in the veins of the legs obstruct proper blood flow. The blood takes alternate routes, often leaking plasma as it goes. Medications. Certain drugs like corticosteroids, antidepressants, hormone replacement, and high blood pressure medications can cause retention of sodium and fluids. Immobility. When the muscles don't move for prolonged periods, the circulation slows. Fluids gravitate downwards and aren't pumped back up efficiently. Vitamin deficiencies. Lack of certain vitamins allow plasma and inflammation to build up. This stresses the organs and promotes fluid retention. Obesity. Excess body fat puts pressure on the legs and abdomen, making it harder to pump fluids back up. The strained circulation results in pooling blood and leaking plasma in the legs. Pregnancy. The uterus puts pressure on veins, causing plasma to leak into leg tissues. Changing hormone levels during pregnancy also affect fluid retention. Age. As we get older, organs don't function as well and circulation slows. Fluids can more readily accumulate in dependent areas like the legs and feet. The list goes on. From chronic diseases to lifestyle factors, causes vary. But in all cases, the fundamentals are the same. Plasma and lymph accumulate, then seep out into the tissues when the organs and systems that regulate fluids are compromised. Swelling itself causes further problems. The skin can break down when stretched too much. Fluid buildup strains the heart as it tries to pump more blood through the circulatory system. Immobility from swollen legs leads to blood clots. There is pain, heaviness, cramps, and more. So decreasing the swelling is key. But is there a way to reduce swelling naturally? Absolutely. Let's examine some vitamins that can help. Vitamin B1, also called thiamine, is a water-soluble vitamin that plays a key role. B1 deficiency allows fluids to build up around the heart, preventing it from pumping properly. This vitamin supports heart health as well as liver, nerve, and kidney function. The best sources are nuts, beans, seeds, seafood, and whole grains. Vitamin C is also water-soluble and serves as a natural anti-inflammatory. It protects blood vessels, bones, and organs. Vitamin C reduces fluid buildup and leakage by supporting the kidneys and circulatory system. Citrus fruits, berries, peppers, tomatoes, and leafy greens are great sources. Vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin, is important for overall health. It aids in calcium absorption for bone strength and reduces inflammation. Sun exposure allows the body to produce its own vitamin D. Fatty fish, eggs, liver, and fortified foods also provide this key vitamin. In addition to vitamins, certain herbs and spices are beneficial. Dandelion supports kidney function and healthy fluid levels. It acts as a natural diuretic to reduce swelling. Nettle leaf is a diuretic and anti-inflammatory. It enhances circulation while reducing fluid retention. Ginger improves circulation and blood flow and has anti-inflammatory properties that can ease swelling. Fennel seed acts as a diuretic and also reduces inflammation. Many other natural remedies like garlic, pine bark, grapeseed extract, bromelain, and essential oils can decrease swelling and improve circulation as well. Okay, so we've covered the causes of swollen legs and some potential natural solutions. But what else can be done to combat this condition? Here are a few key treatment strategies. Elevate the legs frequently throughout the day to improve drainage of excess fluid. Even simple leg lifts help pump fluids back up while lying down. Compression stockings squeeze the legs, again helping to push fluid up and improve circulation. Movement and gentle exercise boost blood flow and lymph drainage from the legs. Massage promotes circulation and fluid movement out of the tissues. Water pills, known as diuretics, reduce fluid buildup by increasing urination. They provide temporary relief, but don't address the root causes. Surgery can repair vein valves or remove lymph nodes to reduce swelling, often a last resort when other options fail. Of course, any underlying condition causing the swelling must be properly treated as well. But integrating natural solutions with other treatments can provide the best odds of reducing aggravating leg swelling. Swollen legs present an intricate web of possible causes, contributing factors, and solutions. A mix of modern medicine and natural remedies works together to combat this frustrating phenomenon. Vitamins, herbs, diet, exercise, and more all help restore balance and healthy fluid levels. Proper treatment keeps the fluids flowing properly and the legs from inflating like water balloons. With consistency and self-care, swelling and inflammation will subside. You'll regain comfort and freedom of movement. Don't accept discomfort as inevitable. You have the power to create better health. Your legs, ankles, and feet will thank you. Share this video with friends and family dealing with similar issues. Hit the like button if you learned something new. Subscribe for more natural health tips and empowerment. Don't go it alone. Together we can support each other's wellness journeys. You deserve to feel good in your own skin. Your body wants to heal if given the chance. Be patient and loving with yourself. This too shall pass. Keep taking positive steps forward. Wishing you improved comfort, strength, and vitality. Until next time.